everyone, this is Veronica Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is going to be a Beebeecraft craft with me. What we're going to do is we're going to make the inspired Maggie Holmes hearts, and we're going to use this die right here from Beebeecraft, and I'm going to use this size right here. And what you will also need is these bags are the his and her bags from Hobby Lobby, and I chose these ones because they are sort of like the same color as the Maggie Home hearts. So also you're going to need some cotton balls, and the cotton balls that I picked up are from Target. And so what we want to do is we want to cut two of these out in our die cutting machine. So I'm going to cut two of them and I will be right back. So this is what it looks like, and I just love them like this. But unfortunately we're going to make little pillow hearts, and so just sandwich them together. And luckily these have lines, and I'm going to stitch along that line right there. And then I'm gonna leave, oh, I'll come back and show you. So that's what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like right here. So I just stitched all the way around, and I left this part open so I could put the cotton ball in. And so the cotton ball looks like this, and just unravel it, stick it in, and if you have some sort of sharp pointy edge tool, just use that to stuff this heart. And I already like it. I like how it turned out. I'm gonna make a few more, and so I think that looks really good right there. I think it needs just a tad bit more. So here's some more, and I'm just gonna feed it through. And I have the links for the Beebeecraft dies below, as well as their website. And so yeah, go ahead and check them out. I really like the dies. The dies cut very well, and I have no problem with them. I did cut this out, and I used the shim. So yeah, okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take this to my sewing machine and close this up. So that's how it looks. Okay, I am finally done, and I went ahead and made two little gold hearts. Aren't they adorable? These are the Maggie Holmes inspired hearts, and so you can make these at home. And I love the dies because it has those lines, and you're able to follow if you're wanting to hand stitch these. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can do that. And so yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and look how cute they are. And I will see you in the next video, you guys. Bye.